Hey everybody, how are you? Today I'm just giving a big hello, welcome, and thank you for stopping by my channel, watching my videos, and being a lovely subscriber to my channel. You guys are all so lovely. I'm so happy to have you here every week supporting me, and yes, thank you for supporting me. You're so wonderful. My name is Laura. I am a professional hairstylist turned barber. I've been in the hair industry for over 12 years. I've worked in multiple major cities around the world, and I have done hair for thousands and thousands of different people, spanning almost 100 different countries. I've been so lucky. I've always had an amazing group of clients that keep returning back to me year after year. And even supported me when I left them to go work in another country or another city. So sorry to you guys. I love you. Peace. And also thank you to you on YouTube for coming back to see me, even when I have had really big breaks in my videos from traveling or just life. So thank you for that. For me, I find that doing my hair is my most favorite it's my favorite art form. And my favorite form of artistic expression. I love it. I feel so artistically fulfilled when I do my own hair, and especially every week when I get to go to work and do other people's hair. It's so amazing to give people that confidence boost and see people feel like they can live more fully in themselves because they feel happy and confident about the way that they express themselves to the world. And I'm so grateful that this is my job. So when you subscribe to my channel, you'll receive a new video every week from me with a new video on how I'm styling my hair. And I'm going to give you easy to follow tips on how you can recreate this or how you can use those tips to inspire yourself to get more creative with your own hair and start doing cool shit with it. You'll get videos on undercuts, on dreadlocks, on coloring, on cutting your bangs, or on styling it using different tools, home hair care, all sorts of different stuff. And if there's something that you want to know that I didn't just mention, just let me know in the comments, and I'll get around to making a video about it. I'm all about sharing hair, sharing about myself, whatever it is you want to know, just ask. So thank you everybody for watching this today. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. You just make me so happy. So thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you.